This is the letter V and its sound is V, V, V. This is a van, van. The man is in the van. The children are in the van. The letter V and the sound is V. This is a vase. The flowers are in the vase. The vase is on the table. The vase is broken. V, V, V. This is a vet. Sam took his pet to a vet. The dog goes to the vet. The tiger goes to the vet. V, V. V for violin. Let's play the violin. V. V for vegetables. Let's wash the vegetables. Let's cut the vegetables. We can cook the vegetables. The boy is eating the vegetables. V. V for volcano. Volcano. V, V, V. V stands for vessels. These are big vessels. And these are small vessels. Let's wash the vessels. This is a van. Vase. Vet. Violin. Vegetables. Volcano. Vessels.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.